Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanma here. We are going to review the HuiNa forklifter. HuiNa has been making really nice and good quality construction vehicles, and we have actually played and loved the HuiNa excavator and other trucks and a dumper truck. Basically, we did the review when we were in UAE and it was just super fun to play in sand. Today we have the forklift and we don't need any sand, we don't need to go out, we just have to play it indoors. So let me give you a quick looky at the HuiNa forklift, what comes inside the box. We talk about its features, how it operates, and then I will show you our playground that kids have actually prepared to play with HuiNa. Alright, here it is, the HuiNa excavator. The first thing that you will notice and you will appreciate once again are the highly scaled details given on the HuiNa excavator. I mean, from the exterior to interior, you will see all the fine details on everything. See the dashboard, it has all the levers, all the gears, foot pedals, driver's seat, which Hadi was saying that we will put a Lego man, but it's a very big driver's seat for a Lego man. Then we have working lights, and we have the rear view mirrors as well.
Yeah, you can turn the steering wheel. If the Lego man sits there, his hand cannot reach there.
The Lego man will be too small. Anyway, the mechanism for the forklift seems to be very powerful. It's based with some kind of ropes and pulleys, but it is powerful enough. We have been lifting some good weight on this forklift, with this forklift.
Yeah, and it says strong here.
It does say strong here. Now, apart from the great looks that you will appreciate, this is metal alloy. This is alloy metal built, so basically this forklift, you might want to take good care of it. It is 2.89 kg heavy, so some smaller kids won't be able to pick it, but I'm not sure. Maybe they can sit on it and drive themselves around. Let's see, move your head away, 0 kg, okay? 2.89 kgs. Wow, that is a heavy toy, right? What comes inside the box is this nice heavy quality forklifter, fully functional. Then we have a radio control. There aren't much controls. You just have forward, backward, left, right, going up and down. I mean, moving the forklift arms up and down, or bed up and down, and a demo mode right here where forklifter will show you a demo, and sound on off. This is the button, then you will appreciate a lot because it is noisy with the simulating sounds.
Yeah, like the excavator.
Like that excavator, so you might want to turn that sound off.
That's a little more louder.
You can add these to the front side if you want to lift some, boxes, wooden planks, or wooden stuff. And you have been given 2 of these beds as well, the wooden type beds. These are made of plastic basically. We're using one under these wooden blocks for demo purposes, and there's another one as well, so you can use 2 of them. And then you are also given a kind of crane arm that fits really nice and easy right here, and you will be able to lift or do or perform some other tasks as well using the same forklift as a small crane. Why not we fire it up and start showing you a little bit of demo. Alright, Arish is handling the camera and Baba will try to pick up the stuff. Let me just set things up here. Hadi, you sit there. When Baba picks something up, you move it away, okay? Go. Come on, you sit there with your food. With your junk food. Check it out, Hadi's junk food. This is what he's eating. He's eating something looks like turds, and then he will make it into turds. When Baba puts something up, you just move it, okay? Alright, so what is the first one? We put a car up, or for cars I have to actually set things up. Let's pick up the wooden planks first. All right, forklift. You keep eating your turd, honey. And we are almost there. Yes, we got it. Now, I lift it up. Is it high enough?
Yes, it's taller.
It's going up, almost there. That is the full. Uh-oh, I have to be very, very careful. Okay, wait. I will cheat a little. Alright, we are almost there. It's a little heavy actually. So we have to be very, very careful with the load that we pick. Awesome, we are there and all right. Yes, we did it. Now we can pick up a car, which is going to be super duper piece of cake, right?
Super duper easy.
We have to adjust those bars to go under this small car. So adjusting is super duper easy as well.
How are you going to cheat?
No, this is not called cheating. In real life, they also arrange the bars this way.
In real life, they also have so much bars.
Yes.
This wooden thing.
Hey. So here we go, and we can actually
Careful.
put it up here. Come on, you can do it, car. You can do it, forklift. Come on. Almost there. Ah, that's a bad forklift driver. Yes.
But where is the driver?
Uh-oh. That was right here. Check it out. Okay. All right. Which one you want me to pick now?
The green one. Green one right here.
Okay. I'm coming to pick
My favorite. It's my favorite. The back wheel also can turn.
That was easy.
Yeah, so easy.
I think you're not doing your job. Move that car away. Doink. I can actually just doink it down. All right, I did it. Awesome. All right, now let's change the drivers, okay? All right, we are going to pick up Hadi's food now. Hadi's junk food, right?
This is not the turd.
This is not a turd, I know. It's a junk food. Okay. Arish is trying to align it. Very good. More. Okay, one moment. Now we need to see, because it's a little wider, so we have to adjust these bars.
Ouch.
All right.
Check out my sound.
Yes, turn on the sound. Very good. Go. Keep going. Slowly adjust it. Arish is a very nice forklift driver now. He's focusing it really nice and good. He's blocking my camera. Go forward. More. It's okay. The plate will go forward, no problem. More forward.
Now I'm picking it up.
That's a pretty heavy ball there. Keep going. Wow, this forklift does have some power, huh? More. Okay. All right, Hadi, your food is coming. Forward. There you go, Hadi, your food. Awesome. Now, Harish, pick up this car. That was an amazing, nice turn, Harish. No need to adjust the bars, right? Pick up, pick up. All right, slowly, slowly. Don't drop the car, okay? What you can do is down a little. Okay. Now go back and hit it. Hit it. Yes. Back. Hit it. Awesome. All right. Okay. To add the crane arm, you can just remove these forklift bars first, which is again easy job to do. Just
I did not know. I thought you need to remove this.
no, you just move them to the center and remove them. Similarly, you just go ahead and add this, just like this. Let's see if we can lift that one or not. We have to do a little bit of handwork to hang the Arish's Star Wars plane, and now you can lift it. Awesome. Okay, now.
My Star Wars plane is flying!
So this is how they lift the Star Wars planes to make movies in Hollywood using a HuiNa forklifter. They lift the Star Wars planes and put the actors inside and show that the Star Wars ship is flying. Is that right, Arish?
Yeah, but it moves so slow. But
Right.
Papa, how does the Lego man move by itself inside it?
Well, that's a 3D animation, right? That's computer work, computer graphics. Okay, alright, so you want to put your Star Wars ship down?
Oh, yes.
There you go, Star Wars planes is back. So this is how the HuiNa crane arm is working on the forklift. It's a dual purpose. You can either use a crane arm or you can simply use these forklift bars to, pick up or use it as a traditional forklift. Awesome. It is really a super fun toy, and I'm sure Arish and Hadi are going to be very, very busy picking and moving stuff around with the HuiNa forklift right here.
Now, how do you get this out?
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.